Alright guys, I'm Eddie. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. And today is my very first video of building this car that's going to show up. I'm going to tell you guys going to see. It's an Infiniti 2017 Q50 with a 3.0 twin turbo V6. So just checked in, paid for the car. Now waiting until it's gonna come out. Okay guys, got her all strapped up. Time to take this baby home and start seeing what I gotta deal with. Hopefully it's not a lot of damage, but time to take her all apart. All right guys, so brought her back here where I'm gonna be working on her, and now it's gonna be time to jump her to put her in neutral, not start it, because we don't know what's gonna be wrong with the belts or anything. But just drop her down and roll her off, and then I'll be showing you guys how I'm gonna be taking her apart. Okay guys, sorry that it's dark, but basically just put the car on here, so it's gonna be time to sort it out and take stuff off and get it all ready to go. So here we go. Okay guys, it's daytime, so now it's time to work on getting the car fixed. We got to take off a whole bunch of stuff. Food is the last thing, but yeah guys, so we'll be looking at getting it fixed. We got stuff to take off, and let's just say airbag probably be one of the last ones too. This is a black interior, but in the back here I got the bumper cover and grill in there that I have to take a look at. Also guys, what I have in the trunk here is the plastic body panels for here, right here. So I could fix it technically with zip ties and other aftermarket clips, so I might not need it. So, and body panels for here, so we'll see. They're not really broken, just where they're clipped on they're broken, so gotta just figure that out. But other than that, time to figure out what's here. Okay guys, so we got everything I need. I found this plastic piece in the back. I think I threw it when I was picking up the car from Copart, but it goes here, so that's pretty good. I'll figure it out later. It's gonna go back there into the back. Unfortunately, that's where all the new parts gonna be sitting. And then this plastic chrome piece is on the bottom. It's broken, so I don't think I could use it. I'll have to check it out. This underbody, I'm gonna go ahead and take it off and put it aside because we're gonna use it. So guys, I took off those plastic pieces and put the bolts in that bucket there. That's where I'm gonna put all my bolts. But came to find out that I cannot reuse any of the fog lights. I'm gonna have to buy new assemblies because of the fact, if you look down here, one, it looks like it's not broken, but it is. And that one's completely broken. It's broken down there, so I'm gonna have to buy it. The other thing I could do though is this bottom grill can save me some money here, and I can take off this bottom grill insert just like so. There's these clips here that I got to take off, and once I get them off, I'll save them. Alrighty guys, so got that squared away. Now I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do next. It's pretty simple, honestly, what I'm gonna do next. Sorry, my tools kind of fell out of here, but here's the ordeal. I gotta take everything out of here, including this fender is broken. Gotta take that fender out, gotta take all the fender out. So gotta take everything out of here and get it ready. The hood, this I'll wash and paint later on, but I gotta take all the intakes out. I'm gonna put the cone intakes, the cold air intake, gotta take these out, this out, this out. And then I got to see if the car runs, and I got to take all this out. So it's going to be in time lapse. I'm going to do. There's a whole bunch of bolts to take off here, and yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, so taking a quick break. So here's what I've done so far. Remove right fender completely. Now it's gonna be time to trying to remove this headlight. I'm unplugging as many wires as I can, but also I gotta take off as many stuff here as possible just to pull it out. So I gotta figure everything out here. Okay guys, so 2 fenders are taken off now. 2 fenders and a whole bunch of little parts. Gotta still disconnect all kinds of wiring and everything and put them to the side, and that way we'd be good to go. But I still got to get to the radiator here, and hopefully we'll get there soon. There we go. Okay, here we go. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get her started, hopefully. Here we go. Alright, moment of truth. Not enough. All right, time to see if it runs and drives like it's supposed to. I'm not gonna move move it into reverse or anything. I'm just gonna start it. Hopefully, this does the trick. This is better. Okay, I gotta wait until it charges. All right, guys, time to find out the news. Okay guys, charging on the Mazda didn't work, so now we have to charge it like that. Hopefully it's gonna work. And yeah. Okay guys, so just to brief you guys, this does have a steering column going directly to the engine, and it's not electrical because for the fact that I was able, with the car turned off, no electric power, I was able to turn the steering wheel. So obviously, there's a steering column here somewhere that goes directly to the steering and turns the wheels. Now guys, whatever's left to do is I got to basically get some aftermarket parts and some good parts for all this. Everything's taken off, just got to charge it, make sure this car starts, and I'll be good to go. So, let you know in a bit. Alright guys, moment of truth. Again, same thing. Alright guys, so should be fully charged finally. Going to connect this all, and hopefully it's going to work. Separate these two from each other, and yeah, put this one back in. Of course, you cannot let a car run. There's charge, so that's good, but you cannot let a car run long on this because we got no coolant. Do have oil, but we have no coolant. So, moment of truth. It's cold out here, so hopefully it's run and drive. So here we go. Back in here, and oh my goodness, it runs smooth too, just for quickly though. Perfect, it runs. That's good. Okay guys, so sorry for the beeping in the background, but got the car to finally run. It's a run and drive. I have a whole bunch of other things. I got to order parts. I may come down here to take off the airbag, find an airbag control module to reset it and stuff like that. But this is the part one of the rebuilt and built, because I'm building this for some pretty good horsepower. Now it comes 300 horsepower stock on this model particular. It's not the red sport model, but yeah guys, it is running good. I am all good to go. Just gonna disconnect the battery and close the hood, and then just save up money for the parts. But yeah guys, it's a very good buy. I did not, so far it's been just a blessing right now. It has not been a disaster buying this car. Just a little bit some work in it and it will get it running on the road. So yeah guys, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe. Don't forget to click the like button, and don't forget to also comment, and of course subscribe guys, and I'll see you next time. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn right. This particular package, driving attempt on the 6 Series.